Welcome to our presentation on the benefits of using Hygenia Touch TO2 photocatalysts in industrial settings. When we think about factories, we think about innovation and building the future, but it's crucial to do it sustainably. That's where Hygenia Touch comes in. Hygenia Touch can revolutionize air and water quality, energy efficiency, and waste reduction. Cleaner air, purer water, and a smaller environmental footprint. Discover how photocatalysis is transforming factories into cleaner, greener, and more efficient powerhouses. Let's talk about air pollution. Factories can release pollutants into the air, but what if we could clean that air at the source? With Hygenia Touch photocatalysts, we can. These tiny titans use sunlight and internal light to break down harmful pollutants. Picture TiO2 coated surfaces on factory walls, purifying the air. In wastewater treatment, TO2 cleans up the water. It breaks down organic contaminants and heavy metals, making the water safer for discharge or reuse. Cleaner air and purer water, a breath of fresh air. Remember those self-cleaning ovens everyone got so excited about? Well, get ready for self-cleaning factories. With Hygenia Touch, it's not science fiction, it's science fact. Imagine factory walls, windows, even equipment that clean themselves. TO2 surfaces, when exposed to sunlight or artificial light, undergo a transformation. They break down dirt and grime by themselves. Less chemicals, less scrubbing, less washing, and less water used. Good for the environment and the factory's budget. Who wouldn't love a factory that always looks clean? Harnessing the power of the sun is something we should all be excited about. Solar panels are amazing, but they work best when they're clean. Dirt and grime on those panels block sunlight, reducing their efficiency. But don't worry, Hygenia Touch is here to save the day. When we coat solar panels with TiO2, we give them a superpower self-cleaning. The TiO2 keeps the panels cleaner, allowing them to soak up more sunlight and generate more electricity. They also scrub methane from the air. More energy, less cleaning, enhanced air quality, what's not to love? We live on a planet with finite resources. That's why the idea of a circular economy where we reduce, reuse and recycle is so important. And guess what? Hygenia Touch can play a key role in making this a reality. In manufacturing, waste is a fact of life. But TO2 photocatalysis can help us turn that waste into a resource. It breaks down complex molecules into simpler ones, making it easier to recycle materials and reduce the need for virgin resources. It's all about closing the loop, turning waste into something valuable, and Hygenia Touch helps us get there. From the concrete in our foundations to the paint on our walls, building materials have a big impact on the environment. But what if those materials could clean the air, resist dirt and last longer? With Hygenia Touch, they can. Adding Hygenia Touch to building materials like cement, paint, even roof tiles, gives them incredible properties. Buildings become self-cleaning, air-purifying structures that help combat pollution and stay cleaner longer. It's about creating a built environment that works in harmony with nature, not against it. And TO2 is helping us build that future one brick at a time. See Singapore, for example. Climate change is a big, complex issue, but every bit of progress counts. While TO2 might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about fighting climate change, it can play a supporting role. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, is often released from farms, landfills, and waste treatment plants. Hygenia Touch photocatalysis can help break down methane, reducing its release into the atmosphere. It's not a silver bullet, but every action to reduce greenhouse gases matters, and TO2 in its own way can contribute to a cooler, more stable climate. When it comes to our health and the well-being of our planet, safety is non-negotiable. The great news is that water-based Hygenia Touch is safe for both people and the environment when used responsibly. Unlike some harsh chemical catalysts, Hygenia Touch doesn't leave behind harmful residues. It's even used in things like sunscreen and toothpaste. Plus, by improving air, water quality and aesthetic value, TO2 indirectly benefits human health. Cleaner air to breathe, less pathogens, and purer water to drink. That's a win-win for everyone. In summary, deploying Hygenia Touch photocatalysts aligns with environmental stewardship, resource efficiency, and health considerations. From cleaner air and water to self-cleaning surfaces and reduced waste, the benefits are undeniable. It's a step towards cleaner air, water, and more sustainable industrial practices. By embracing technologies like Hygienia Touch photocatalysis, we're not just building factories, we're building a brighter future. So let's harness the power of Hygienia Touch to create greener, healthier, and smarter facilities.